Traders, I have missed you and happy new year. It is good to be back. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, lovely new year, drunk lots of vodka. I certainly did. But yeah, I had such a relaxing time, guys. Exactly what I needed. As you know, I've been on my travels. I am back. I am recharged. I am ready to go for 2024. And the goal for Simply Forex this year is to help you guys have a profitable 2024. All right. And just basically make sense of, the charts and this crazy world of trading, guys. All right. So that's always been the goal. That hasn't changed. But yeah, good to be back. Good to see your faces. I can't see your faces. And let's get stuck in. Let's start. Is there anything else I wanted to mention at the start of the year? Yeah, let's mention this as well, guys. So if you haven't already, maybe you're new to the channel, why not come join our community of traders? You can join our free Discord channel. Also, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel. In the VIP, you can ask me questions throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, and you have access to the Trading Academy, which is full of tutorials. Also, guys, if you're interested in being coached one-on-one, you could drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, well, you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership. So check it all out. All this information is in the video description. And Happy New Year again. It's very good to be back. I've missed you all. Let's get stuck straight in, guys. Obviously, I won't have a recap today because there was no trades yesterday. Yeah, and I haven't traded for, a few weeks, guys. All right. So let's just look at the trade ideas for today. And I'm seeing a few things set up, which is good for our first day back. And the first trade is this, guys. It is euro against the Aussie dollar. So as you can see, bear with me, guys. My mouse and computer is all a bit foreign to me this morning. But euro Aussie dollar, guys, again, we're looking for structure first of all. And as you can see, guys, this is clearly in a downtrend. Okay, we're getting lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay. Also, what I like about this, guys, we can take a quick look at the weekly chart. So this weekly chart, you can see that this weekly candle here has clearly broken this grey zone, this support zone. All right, it's clearly broken, so I think we can come lower back down to here. And I've chose this psychological level of 1.6 thousand. You know I love a psychological level as much as I like Gal Gadot. I've missed Gal Gadot as well. Can't really miss what you never had. Let's go back to the day chart. All right, so like I said, we're in a downtrend. And just look at these candles we got here as well, guys. Yeah, we're getting real rejection, not only at the moving average 20, all right, but in this area of resistance here, this grey zone. All right, so lots to like. We're looking to sell euro Aussie dollar. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, I mean, we've already had a very bearish reaction at this grey zone up here. But I don't really want to enter here because there's a lot of support here. So with euro Aussie dollar, guys, it's just going to be a breakout trade. All right, we're looking for a break of this level through here, these lows, retest, yeah, and then we can start selling back down to that psychological level that I explained. Okay, so that's what I'm looking to do. We could, if price come back up to here again, which is quite possible, we find ourselves in a little range and we get a bearish reaction up here. Again, I'd be interested in selling euro Aussie dollar. All right. So that's euro Aussie dollar. I also like pound Aussie dollar to sell. So we're seeing a bit of Aussie dollar strength, guys. Where's pound Aussie dollar? There you are. Again, let's start with the weekly chart. And you can see, guys, as you know, I do a top-down approach. I look at weekly, daily, and then I start entering on the H4 and H1. My system is still the same, guys. But yeah, you can see this level through here that has broke. This candle here has clearly broken this level, which, tells us we can come lower. I haven't actually put a target in, okay? But my target will be back down to this we'll start with this psychological level here, this 8,500, but then it could even drop down lower, back down to this grey zone. So a couple of targets here for us to aim for. If we go to the day chart now, again, the things I'm looking for structure, and this is clearly in a downtrend. You don't have to be Warren Buffett to see that is in a downtrend. If Warren Buffett saw this, he would say, Tom, that is in a downtrend. I would say, thank you, Warren, because we're close, yeah, but we're in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, and also, you know, we're getting bearish candles, yeah, and bearish wicks. These wicks are rejecting this grey zone, all right? So, yeah, we look for structure, downtrend. We're looking at support and resistance. It's bouncing off a resistance level, and we're looking for candlesticks, and the candlesticks tell us to sell this as well, all right? So that's what we're looking at, guys, and we're looking at value. Don't forget that. And this does have a bit of value. We're not millions of miles away from the moving average 20, and, you know, we've got room to move into. Please bear in mind, though, guys, with this trade, it might want to come back up and just test this last low in this grey zone. It might, yeah, and then it comes back down, okay? Let's go to the H4. And again, we've got this level, yeah, through here. You can clearly see this is a H4 resistance level. And again, we've had a very bearish reaction. Okay, do I want to start entering this now? Probably not. It's the first day back. You know, the UK and London hasn't even opened yet. So no, probably not. Yeah. But, you know, if price comes back up to here, or even, like I said, wants to touch this level and we get a big wick that comes back into it like this, then I would be interested in selling. All right, back down to these lows, if not further. All right. Or if we drop down to the H1 now, we've had that, you know, bearish H4 candle. But I would also like to see that translate into a H1 structure break. Because as you can see here, guys, okay, bear with me, I've been drinking. Look at those lines. Yeah, I would like to see price break this. If it breaks this, get a bit of a retest, and then we can start selling, because then we've had H1 structure break, we're getting lower highs, and we break this low, we're getting lower lows. All right, so pound Aussie dollar, that's how I would trade that. So like I say, guys, a bit of Aussie dollar strength. Also a bit of pound weakness, because I would also like to sell pound New Zealand dollar. And guys, before I show you pound New Zealand dollar and why I'm looking to sell this, if I could ask everyone, if maybe you're new to the channel, to please subscribe to the channel right now. We would love to have you. Also, everyone, please smash the notification button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Everyone smash the like button right now. Really helps support the vid. Donshi, Sepas, Takar, Danki, Messi, Grazie, Shukran. That fluent in many languages, guys, as you know. So next one is pound New Zealand dollar. Let's start with the weekly, because again, I like the weekly chart with most of these trades, because even the weekly is breaking down. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, this candle here, okay, I don't know what's happening to my drawing this morning, has broken this low. Okay, so we're getting lower lows, we're getting lower highs. You know, the weekly is in a downtrend. And again, we just want to take it potentially down to this next psychological level, or this one. Yeah, back down to 1.99 thousand. If we drop to the H4 now, guys, yeah, a couple of things. So we can see this level through here. This is a nice level of H4 resistance. So if price comes back up to here, yeah, we get a bearish reaction, yeah, I'll be looking to sell pound New Zealand dollar. Okay. The other way I would trade this would be a H1 structure break. And again, you know, we're in a H1 uptrend as we speak. Yeah, so I would need to see, you know, we're not making higher highs. This tells me this could potentially break down, you know, and we get a break of this level. Yeah, maybe we get something like this, retrace, and then we come lower, guys. All right, but pound New Zealand dollar, we're looking to sell this as well. The last trade for today, which I am also looking at is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So yeah, let's start with the day chart. Let's start with the weekly chart, actually, because again, I like a lot of these weekly charts. This is in a weekly downtrend. Yeah, I know we've got these big wicks here, right? I'm aware of that. But, you know, we have broken these lows here. Yeah. As soon as we've broken these lows, if we look at, you know, weekly structure, bit of a range, you know, we didn't know for a while what yen was doing, but bang, you know, that has broken down. This body of this candle breaks these lows. So for me, that is in a weekly downtrend. And we're at an area of resistance, and we've got a nice bearish weekly candle here. Yeah, so, you know, we can come back down to this blue line, this 106 psychological level, or back down to this blue line, this 105 psychological level. If we drop to the day chart now, this is, let's say, a range. Yeah, I would really like to have broken this low, but it hasn't because of this wick. This wick is holding on to that. Okay, but if we just look at day trend, we was in a downtrend, yeah, and now, you know, arguably in a range. Yeah, we got this level that's holding, and we got these lows. All right, and I would be, you know, looking to take it to the bottom of this range. Again, guys, I would like a clean break of this low. That would have been nice. So if we start breaking these lows here, then this will be a nice trade. But if we drop down to the H4, what are we looking at? So, yeah, we're looking at this level here. So the last H4 highs, price comes into here, catches up with a moving average 20 as well. Double whammy resistance. Haven't said that for a while. And then we get a bearish reaction, guys. We can start looking to take price lower. You know, there is this as well, guys. You know, there is this low here. Yeah, if you want to be super cautious, we could wait for a break here. Yeah, we get a break at this level. Obviously, this is not going to be your target because the risk to reward doesn't make sense. You'll be aiming for this level down here. Okay, but we could also wait for a break of those lows. And those are all the trades I am looking at today. So 4 trade ideas to start the year off, 2024. Happy New Year. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 2nd of January. Some very lazy nations are still on holiday. So, yeah, Switzerland, New Zealand, Japan. So the market might be a little bit thin on volume. But the major markets are back, guys. All right. Overnight, we had some PMI data coming out of China, and that was better than expected. So that could give some strength to Aussie dollar. And we're interested in Aussie dollar strength today. And then after that, guys, we've got a slew of PMI data. Love that word. So 8:55 London GMT, we've got manufacturing PMI coming out of Germany. We've also got 5 minutes later manufacturing PMI coming out of the Euro. And for me, these are all 3-star ratings, not 2-star. These are 3-star ratings, guys. All right. 9:30, we've got manufacturing PMI as well. And at 2:45, we've got more manufacturing PMI coming out of the US. So all of this PMI data is going to move the euro, the pound, and the US dollar, guys. All right. So must be aware of all of that. But other than that, guys, you are free to trade. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. Also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. Happy New Year once again. It's good to be back, guys. Let's have a profitable 2024. And don't forget, I'll see you later today for the live stream where you can ask me as many questions as you like. All right. See you later, guys.